Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will perform the CRUD operation. Then first open the Postman. Then now run your project. Copy the URL and paste here. Give the project route author. This is from here. As you can see, controller author routes API or controller name. So our URL, API and controller name. Just click on send to check whether it's working or not. Let's give the 200 test mean it's working because we don't have any data in our database. That's why it's showing the empty array. Now try to add some data. Post, change to body, row, JSON, give a name, comma, URL, comma, author, email, uh, this. Now try to save. As you can see, it saved the author. Create one more author. Now ID is 2 is generated for site. Now change in and get all author. As we can see, both author are created. For confirmation, go and check in table. Right click, select row, press F5. No need. So here, as you can see, two author are created. Now try for delete functionality or update. So I can change update for this author to change site to send and click on send button. As you can change, you can also verify with database. Here change site to send. Now try delete, delete author to, click on send. Now it return true. If you again hit send, it will return false because author is already deleted. Now check in the database. It's working. So as you can see, I have performed the CRUD operation for author, create separate repository, separate services for author. In the next video, we will demonstrate you how to move from basic level to advanced level, how to handle the exception, how to make the relation between the two tables, and many more things. So thank you for watching this video.